All right, what did I get in the mail today? Let's find out. Open up the package, see what we got. Got some peanuts. I hate peanuts. They get everywhere. Okay. Oh. Get over here. Okay. Looks like some intake piping. A little K&N. All right. Semi-clean looking filter. Actually, I don't know. I'll clean it. And then, all right, so some clamps for the coupler, and of course the box. And this is the thing I was mostly interested in. So it is used, okay? So that's, yeah, let's get that out of the way. I bought a used intake. I got a good deal on it, shipped. Saved a little over $100. So I'll buy it used. I'm just a hardcore lurker. So that's how I find used stuff, and I know what I want. I don't buy just crap just because it's used and it's cheap. I know what I want, and I just wait, and check almost daily just to see if something that I want pops up, because if I have the opportunity to save $100, I'm going to do it because I know I'm going to get that thing anyway. So yeah, so that's my reasoning behind it. So let's install. All right, first step, unplug this, unplug that, unscrew that, take off that, take off this. So here we go. Woo! All right, here it is. Pretty straightforward. It's just a bolt down there, put this puppy on. This is a little jangly here. I'm not really digging this setup. So I'm gonna figure out a way to get rid of all this junk. I don't like it. It's ugly and it's like zip tied on. But I got it used, so that's pretty much why. Other than that, it's set up how it should be set up. Sounds pretty good, so I'm gonna do a little sound check on the intake side. Also, finally got my exhaust figured out, so we'll do a sound check on the exhaust as well. So let's do it to it. All right, let's do an interior sound check. Alright guys, so there you have it. K&N, quick and easy install. I didn't do a full DIY. because my dude Car HQ did a full DIY on his channel, and I figured I'd just give him some props because he actually helped me out on my car. So I figured I'd just send all you guys his way, and maybe he'll send some my way if he's a cool guy, but I think he is. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Kind of want to do quick and easy. I always ramble, so sorry about that, guys, but hopefully I can get some new stuff out. I still have my header to put on, so wait for that one. What else? Track day coming up in July, so that's about 2.5 weeks away, so stay tuned for that. You know, and more stuff, because I'm always doing stuff to this car. I'm going to keep on cleaning up the engine bay, and one thing I will do, because this is a race car, I will wrap my intake in gold foil. I just have to do that. So I guess on that note, I'm out.